Hello everyone, here we are on a Thursday afternoon. It is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and we're flying around the house on Clearview Road. It looks like they have all the shingles on the new addition out back there. So don't know what's going to happen next, but they're working at it. Weather today is a little breezy, not bad at all, but a little breezy. Temperatures are in the upper 30s with the wind chill in the lower 30s. A little brisk out, but not too bad. So the usual applies. There'll be a link down in the comment section to get you back to a previous video to see any changes that might have been made. So have a good day, everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.